I'll show you how to exchange currencies in the Revolut app. We need to get some money in the app first, and then we can exchange it for other currencies. I'll also leave a full video guide for Revolut down in the description if you need it. But if you don't have any money, go to the left-hand side, press Add Money here. It's going to block the screen, but this is what it looks like. Choose how much money that you want to deposit in. There's two ways to do this. You can do it automatically if you have your banking app on your phone, or if you don't, you can just get your bank details for Revolut and then do a manual transfer in from your bank account. I'll show you both. So just choose how much you want to deposit. From here, it's going to ask you how you want to deposit that money. You can use the easy bank transfer option if you have your banking app on your phone. So press that, then just confirm how much you want to transfer over, press continue. And then it's going to choose the bank for you. So whichever your bank is on your phone, click that. It's going to open the banking app on your phone. You can log in, choose the account that you want to withdraw money from, and then send it over to Revolut immediately. Now, if you can't do that for any reason, then what you want to do is go ahead and manually transfer money in. Go back to the app, go to details here in the middle right, and it's just going to give you your banking details at Revolut. You can do a manual transfer over from your bank of the currency that you want to exchange. Once we have money in the app, it's really easy to exchange it for something else. In the middle here, you want to press move, and it's going to go and let us exchange the currencies. Up at the top is the currency that you have. You can press this. It's going to give you a list of any currencies that you may have and the balances of them. So choose whichever one that you want to sell. And then down at the bottom is the currency that we're buying or exchanging our currency into. So at the moment it's euros. I'll click that, choose any other currency, let's say dollars, and then just choose the amount that you want to exchange. So for me, I've got £10, so let's press 10. It's going to give me the exchange rate. At the moment, it's $1.32. So you can see that for £10, I'm going to get $13.29. Down at the bottom, we can press review order. You can see any fees or anything like that. And if you want to go ahead and trade, then down at the bottom, just press that button. For me, it's selling pounds for dollars, but it could be other currencies for you. Now, that's what's known as a market order. We're not choosing the exchange rate. We're just getting given the exchange rate. And if we're happy with that, we can go ahead and exchange. Now, if you go back, where it says review order in white, on the left-hand side, press the icon here, and we can put a limit order in. So press limit order. A limit order is where you tell the system what exchange rate you're willing to trade at. So for the moment, £1 gets $1.32. So if I sell £1, I'll get $1.32. Now I want more dollars per pound than this. So I can say, I'm willing to trade at $1.40. Now I'm going to tell Revolut, I'm willing to trade at $1.40 per pound. And Revolut will take my order and it will keep my order in the system, but it can't trade for me right now because I want more dollars per pound than the market is willing to give. No one is going to trade with me at this price. However, Revolut will take the order and it will keep the order in the system. If the market moves and there's someone willing to trade with me and actually give me $1.40 per pound, then I will trade and I will actually exchange the currencies. Until then, this order will not trade at all and I will not exchange the currencies, but the order will be in the system. So if you want to do that, you can do, but you may not trade straight away. So if you don't want to put a limit order in, then just change back to market order. See the exchange rate. If you're happy with that, you can press the button down at the bottom to exchange the currencies.